Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew sausage. First, prepare your sausage by cutting it into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures even cooking and a delightful texture in your stew. Next, brown the sausage in a hot pan for about 5 to 7 minutes until it develops a rich, golden crust. This step adds depth of flavor. Once browned, remove the sausage and set it aside for later. Now let's build the flavor base for your stew. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed, then sauté your diced onions, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes until they soften. Next, stir and mince garlic and cook for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. It's time to bring everything together for a hearty simmer. Return your browned sausage to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of rich broth, ensuring everything is well covered. Add your diced potatoes and a selection of your favorite herbs, like thyme or bay leaves, for extra aroma. Let the stew simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are perfectly tender. To finish your delicious stew, you might want to thicken it slightly. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Then stir it into the simmering stew until it reaches your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your hot, comforting stew sausage with some crusty bread for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.